Subscribe Technity and press the bell icon so that you never miss updates from Technity. Hello guys, welcome to Technity. Today we shall have a session on unboxing a phone and I will give its review. And today we shall unbox Panasonic Eluga A3. So let's begin. So guys, this is the Panasonic Eluga A3 which I bought it from Flipkart, and I bought it for around 7.3k. And let's look at its feature. It has 13.2 inch HD display, 2.5D curvature and 1.25 GHz quad-core processor, Android 7.0, and it has 3GB RAM, 16GB ROM, expandable up to 128GB, and it has 13MP AF rear camera, 8MP front camera, 4000 mAh battery, GPS Wi-Fi dual SIM, 4G supported, and it has front fingerprint sensor. And it has Android Nougat 7.0 as OS, metallic body, and 4G LTE. Actually, I bought it for around 7.3k. The MRP is 11.4k. I bought grey color, and the battery voltage shown here is 3.8 volt. So it has 3GB of RAM, 4000 mAh battery, and Turbo Virtual Assistant. So let's unbox this. Guys, this is the main unit of this box. So it has metallic body and it's nice to hold. Let's keep it aside. And here are some stickers, and this is the warranty card and some owner manual, quick start guide for Eluga A3, and screen guard has been given. So let's keep it aside and let's open this box. Yeah, it has USB to microSD converter used for charging as well as data transfer. And also we have black color in-ear earphones, looks quite lengthy. Let's keep it aside. And also I have charger adapter. Yeah, it is 2 amps output, and we can say that it is fast charger. So let's open this. When we switch on, we'll get something like this.
Panasonic.
So it feels good to hold, and it has metallic body, dual flash with Panasonic Eluga branding. It has volume key as well as lock key on the right, and one earphone jack and microphone as well as charger. And this is the hybrid SIM slot. And now we have to follow some instructions. So set up your Eluga 3. I'll skip these steps. Date, time. I'll skip fingerprint scanner. So this is what you get. So first of all, I get Turbo Assistant. I have to accept some of the terms and conditions. Then it asks for permissions. So this what you get as home page, and this is the menu page. So the camera quality is quite better. So these are some pictures taken from Panasonic Eluga A3. So this was today's video. Like, share and subscribe Technity for further technical videos. Thank you.